Hello friends, I am Aditya. Today I am tell you how to make a compost at home. To make a compost, we need these things. First, plastic bottle, then any sharp thing like pen and compass, then scissor, then peels of vegetable and fruits, then soil. Let's make a compost. Now as you can see, our compost are ready. If you like this video, so like and subscribe my channel and share. Tata and bye bye.